Okay, welcome to the hangar. On the bench in front of me, I have a Prestolite starter removed from a Mooney M20, and this has a new Bendix drive in it, and you can see here the drive has split. Isn't that amazing? It's cracked right through. Now, these sometimes will obviously fail if there's kickbacks and things like that, but I actually saw this aircraft start in front of me and heard this drive break under normal cranking conditions. No backfire, no kickback, nothing like that. It cranked over and turned about 2 blades. This gear then split, and you could then hear it labor and struggle, and it was the most awful noise because with this split here now, these teeth don't mesh. But this starter motor's got enough power to shove this gear through. It ruined the ring gear on the flywheel. Absolutely destroyed it. This is a Hartzell drive, Bendix Drive. It's got less than 25 hours on the airplane. It's under warranty, but I can't get a replacement part because nobody has any available to sell, and the process to get a replacement is ridiculous, and they want this online form filling out and this piece returned to them so they can inspect it and everything. Frankly, it's not worth all of that effort and aggravation for a $200 part that no one has. So, very disappointing. So the decision was made to buy a brand new Sky-Tec NL149 starter. That showed up and was removed from the box today. And you can see right here, it came out of the box broken. Here's the shipping, or not shipping, here's the piece that should be on the side of that stud. That's the jumper stud. So there's your main power. That's where your main power comes on here. This is the jumper wire. And this piece, we took it out, opened it up, put it up on the aircraft to put the bolts through, and this little piece fell on the floor. I mean, this is really aggravating. And we're being told it could be weeks to get an approved replacement sent to us to install on the aircraft. That we've already had here down for weeks trying to get a replacement starter drive. And this is just adding on to the aggravation I've had with Sky-Tec and plain power alternators failing within 3 or 4 hours of installation, and I'm very disappointed. So yeah, if I want a new starter motor to get this customer going and get him flying, I got to buy a brand new one, and we'll take our chances on getting a return. I'm really not sure what to do at this point, but there we go. So very disappointing. Apparently we're making some real junk now.